Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the best streaming setting on Streamlabs. First, go to settings, click on output and change your output mode from simple to advanced. Set encoder to software X264 and change your rate control from VBR to CBR. Change your bitrate to 6000 to get best quality. Set keyframe interval to 2. CPU usage to very fast. Set profile to high and set tune to 0 latency. Then go to video and set your output resolution same as the base resolution. Change your downscale filter to bilinear if it's something else, and change your FPS type to common FPS values and change your FPS values to 60. Then go to advanced and set process priority to normal and choose your color format as NV12. Change your color space from Rec 709 to 601 and click done. And this is the best setting for streaming on Streamlabs. I hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.